Glad to have you here. Welcome to this video. You're going to enjoy this one if you've struggled ranking affiliate sites or pretty much anything online. What I'm going to do in this video, in a short video without being long-winded, I'm going to give you the ultimate keyword strategy in 2025 to rank anything. So you can use this for your business, you can use this for affiliate sites. The way I'm going to show you is for affiliate sites, but the process is the same whatever you're trying to rank and whatever you're trying to appear for. And what it will help you with, how it might be different to what you've seen before, is it doesn't just focus in on the keywords. In fact, if you want to rank, I wouldn't go in and focus on the keywords and the search volumes, because it might not help you rank, and I'll explain that as we go through. I'm going to give you a simple 3-step process that you can use in any niche area that will allow you to get traffic quickly and make sales. So I hope you enjoy it. Do give us a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and do consider joining the massive thank you offer if you're interested in getting an Amazon affiliate site out there, a ClickBank affiliate site out there, and a funnel all built for you. The details are on this page. When you go through, there's a video at the top that will explain everything that you get. And there's only 20 hours left at the time of doing this video that this will be active. So if you want to get in, now is the time. I'll put the link in the description below, so do check that out. Here we go. Let's get straight into the good stuff, and I hope it helps you rank and get some insights on keyword research. Here we go. It's nice and easy. Okay, so when you want to rank, I'm going to use an example niche here. It's an Amazon affiliate niche, but you can just use any niche that you're trying to get ranked for. And what's a little bit different is the first thing that you want to do is not work out keywords and all of that stuff and products and volumes. You want to start with who you're actually targeting. Okay, so who you're actually targeting. I know that sounds obvious, but most people don't do this at all. Okay, so I'm going to show you this prompt in action that I've actually asked ChatGPT for. I'm going to show you how it works, and here we go. So I'll show you the results of that prompt above in a second, but you can see here the reason that you want to know exactly who you're targeting is because if you want to rank from scratch, if you're there with nothing at the minute, you're unlikely to rank in a really competitive niche fast. So what you want to do is you want to find out who you're targeting. In this case, it's people that want spear guns for fishing. Okay, a bit weird, but I wanted to give you a niche that's laser targeted. And the reason that you want to do that is because we know that if someone's typing in spear guns for reef fishing, that's what they're looking for. And again, I know that sounds like an obvious statement, but the mistake firstly that people make is they go too wide into a niche and then wonder why they can't rank. Okay, so this is spear guns, and it's suggested to me, okay, your best angle on the niche, plenty of searches with low competition, is beginners. Okay, best spear gun for beginners. Beginners are actively searching because they're uncertain and need guidance. You can recommend entry-level models and also upsell accessories like wetsuits, snorkels, knives, float lines and travel bags. Okay, bonus angles to stack: spear guns for reef fishing versus open water, pneumatic versus band spear gun, and so on. Okay, so it's given me an idea, it's given me a look into the niche. And then check this out. I then ran the full prompt, so this gives me a really good look into the niche in this case. Okay, age range, gender, income level, geographic location. Look at this, guys. Just giving you some ideas here. Geographic location. Let's say that we were promoting spear guns for fishing, but let's say that we just did ads to people in Florida, California and Hawaii, coastal regions. Okay, so you're not paying for traffic that's not going to be or unlikely to be spearfishing. So you can see here it's given me the core demographic, some younger hobbyists as well, 18 to 24, and seasoned experts, so there's quite a wide age range. Predominantly male, 80%, mid to upper middle class in terms of income level. These are the different areas. Experience level: 40% beginner, 35% intermediate. Well, if you're doing affiliate site, it's easier for beginner and it's easier for you as well, unless you are actually an expert at this stuff. And then top 3 motivations: adventure, hobby, sport, competition, and survival, self-sufficiency. Now, the other thing, so when we've got who we're looking at, okay, we need to know what they're looking for, what they're looking for help. Okay, so this is sort of touching on it now, what they care about when choosing a spear gun: gun type, length, build quality, accuracy and range. So these are all top areas that we want to cover on to be able to rank, okay? And then the top brands as well. It's even given me a look at where they hang out online. YouTube channels, I could go to Daniel Mann's YouTube channel, Spearfishing Life, and see the subjects that they're talking about. I could go to Reddit and I can see the subjects that they're talking about, Facebook groups, and that's really what you want to do. This is what a lot of, if you'll notice, we haven't even looked at keywords yet. We're getting intel so we know exactly what they're looking for, because what you really want to aim for is, you're not worried about, if you can't rank, no one's going to see you, and you're not worried about getting loads and loads of visits if it's not targeted. So go into the niche, find out who it is, what they need, and then once you've got that information, you can then have a look at keywords, and keywords start with questions. So you can see here, what spear gun is best for beginners, band versus pneumatic spear gun, which is better. These are long tail questions and concerns before buying. And then it's also given me problems versus solutions. So reloading difficulty, gun recoil, equipment rusting, and all of the solutions there. And then sub niches as well. So you've got other areas. I've suggested beginners, but you've got women in spearfishing, sustainable living, cold water spearfishing gear, and so on. Okay. Then underserved content angles, best spear guns for murky water, and so on. Okay. Then what I did, and this is the next stage, so now we know who you're targeting, we know what they're looking for, and then we get into keywords. Okay, but we do it very specifically. Here's the prompt: build me keyword clusters for beginners, in this case, that focus on the top searches that I will be able to rank for. Focus on top questions that need answering, guides, features that they will be looking for, and top brands. By features, I mean features of the actual spear gun. Okay, and we know we're going for beginners in this example, and look at this: clusters, best spear gun for beginners, with long tail keywords attached to it that we could interlink together. There's the top brands to mention, there's the content ideas. To go further, which I'm not going to do in this video, but to go further, we've got content ideas that we could then expand on and get content templates from AI. Cluster 2, how to start spearfishing, informational guide intent. There's the keywords, primary keyword, how to start spearfishing. There's some long tail keywords to go with it, and there's some content ideas with some top brands as well. Spear gun features explained: pneumatic spear gun for beginners, which spear gun type is better. Then checklists, okay? Beginners spearfishing gear under $300, complete spearfishing gear kit for beginners under $300. Then locations and conditions. Then you've got brands for beginners, with that's a commercial intent key phrase. Then you've got beginner mistakes, that's more for authority building. It's not something I put on the site straight away, more when you fleshed it out a little bit. Beginner spearfishing by location, low competition, okay? And that's given me Florida, but you could also have a California guide, Hawaii, Australia, Mediterranean countries, Philippines and South Africa. Okay, so then what you can do is take these keywords that have popped up here in these clusters, take them to a real keyword tool and have a look at the search volumes. Okay, so then you can use a tool like SEMrush, like here, and you can actually see there's other areas that you'll be able to see once you start looking at the keywords, where how to spearfish for lobster. There's 590 searches with only a keyword difficulty of 24. So imagine this in your mind. We have a site with reviews on it, which I've not even touched on, but you've got reviews, 10 or 20 product reviews with the top products, and then we use those keyword clusters to interlink back to those product reviews as recommendations. And then you have extra guides on the site of how to spearfish for particular fish, YouTube videos that you can use. You can embed on the site someone else's YouTube. You'll lose the visit, but you could use other YouTube and embed it on your site. And you've got a really cool site there that's targeted, laser targeted, to people looking to pick up spearfish, spears for fishing as a beginner. That's how you make sales. That's how you rank, and that's how you cater. You've covered. Main takeaways is know exactly who you're targeting, like what we've done in this video first. Know exactly what they're looking for, like we've done in this video. Then know the features that they're looking for the actual product. And then as extras, back up the keywords with a good keyword tool and find other opportunities like how to spearfish for lobster, and then build out the site and you will rank. That's exactly how you rank. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it's helped you with your keyword research. Follow the same steps for whatever niche you're in. Let me know if you need any help. And if you like this, you'll love the thank you offer because it will give you a head start. And the sites, ClickBank and Amazon, have been researched in this manner, so you'll get a head start. Check that out in the description and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.